Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Tesla Model Y headrests. This simple process can greatly improve your rear visibility or make installing child car seats much easier. You will only need one small, flat tool, such as a nail file or a small flathead screwdriver, to complete this task. It's a straightforward procedure that takes just a few moments once you know the steps. Let's get started and make your Model Y even more versatile. First, let's find the two key release points on your headrest. On one of the headrest posts, you'll see a standard, visible button that you can press. Now, look at the base of the other headrest post. You'll find a small, rectangular hole there. This hole conceals a second release mechanism. Both of these points must be activated simultaneously to allow the headrest to be removed. Knowing where these are is the first crucial step. Now for the removal itself. With one hand, firmly press and hold the visible button on one of the headrest posts. At the same time, take your small, flat tool and insert it into the rectangular hole on the opposite post. You'll need to push the tool inward to engage the internal clip. While holding both the button and the tool, gently but firmly lift the headrest straight upward. It should then slide out of its mounting points with relative ease. To reinstall your headrest, simply align its two posts with the corresponding openings at the top of the seat. Gently push the headrest downward. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that it has locked securely into place. After hearing the click, give the headrest a slight tug upward to confirm it is fully seated and secure. Proper reinstallation is vital for passenger safety, so always double-check that it is firmly locked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.